This is a podcast of the Nuffield Department of Medicine. Today we're speaking to Min Sun about her experiences as a graduate student in the University of Oxford. Hello Min.
Hello.
Why did you decide to study for a DPhil?
For as long as I can remember, I have always been interested in biology. And during my undergraduate study, I developed an interest in cancer biology. Today, in the modern aging population, there is an increasing number of individuals are affected by cancer. But however, there's no effective treatments have been found. So I think studying a DPhil in medicine will give me the chance to obtain a deeper understanding of the fundamental biology underpinning cancer, and I hope my research may contribute to finding the ways of curing cancer.
Can you tell us about your research?
I work in an oxygen sensing group under the supervision of Professor Peter Radcliffe and Dr. Norman Mason. The group was centrally involved in discovery and elucidation of the oxygen sensing response that regulate cellular and systemic response to hypoxia. So one of the crucial response to hypoxia is regulating numerous genes, and the hypoxia-inducible factor, which also known as HIF, they are the key mediators of this complex process. So HIF are transcription factors that bind to DNA. So my project aims to dissect the HIF DNA binding and the genome-wide response to hypoxia. So the technique I'm using is the chromatin immunoprecipitation of HIF subunits coupled to next-generation sequencing. By using this technique, I'm able to characterize and dissect the HIF binding across the genome.
What made you interested in your particular field of research?
Hypoxia is an important factor involved in many major human diseases, including cancer. It has long been recognized that solid tumor contain regions of profound hypoxia, and that hypoxia is often associated with the adverse prognosis. In keeping with these observations, many studies report that there's an activating of HIF pathways in this process. So a central question to be answered is the role played by the activating of HIF pathways in cancer and how it relates to the malignant phenotype of the tumor. So that's why I think my research is interesting.
Why did you apply to Oxford?
Before I applied to Oxford, I had a 3-month summer internship at the Department of Physiology, Anatomy and Genetics. During that time, it allows me to develop an interest in molecular biology. And apart from the research, I also have the chance to discover the university and the city. I found myself really like the academic atmosphere as well as the city. So after that positive experience, I decided to apply to Oxford.
What has surprised you about Oxford?
I think the University of Oxford is truly a unique place. The research environment is excellent. You will get the most up-to-date information. There's always a chance to learn the cutting-edge technique and also meeting the experts in the fields, as well as discussing your work with your colleague. I also think the college system of the university is fantastic. It allows me to socialize and meet people from a wide range of fields and backgrounds. It also gives me the opportunities to try new sports and activities.
What are the best things about studying here?
I think the university not only has the outstanding research resources that allow me to undertake my research in the best possible conditions, but also more importantly, it provides me with an incredibly stimulating environment that made up of intelligent and interesting people to work with. Apart from that, I also receive lots of support while I'm studying here. For example, my supervisors are very supportive. We meet up regularly to discuss the progression of my work. The Nuffield Department of Medicine has also been supportive. It organizes different seminars with interesting topics, and it also provides the training opportunities for students. So I feel very lucky to have the opportunity to study here.
Thank you, Min.